So our rebuilt master cylinder for the clutch has been fitted, but it's solid, it's locked up. There must be a reason. Let's find out what it is. So the first thing is we slacken off the pressure pipe that goes to the slave. This is just to make sure that when the pressure is released, we can test the master cylinder to see if the master cylinder's piston is locked or if it's something further down the line. So here we go. As you can see, it is now pressing in, which means the problem lies further down. We decided to remove the pressure line here, which goes straight to the slave. And yeah, the Flexi hose was removed. We did test the hard line for blockages, but that was fine. Hence why we took this Flexi off. Now, initially it looks okay, but when we blew down one of the ends, there was nothing coming out, and we noticed a bit of a blockage on one end. So we attempt to unblock it by using tweezers, and it looks like some kind of rubber debris. Now we don't know where this has come from. Maybe it was from the master cylinder where it had debris inside there. Remember, we took it apart and rebuilt it in our last video. Anyway, we clean this out a little bit, and now I'm blowing on the end and there's nothing coming out. We're going to move on to step 2, which is to try and clean it a bit more. We'll use a combination of tweezers and picks and see if we can get any kind of like debris that's blocking the path, because we really don't want to break the master cylinder again. They're no longer available anywhere in a right-hand drive.
Was lying awake on his mountain of toys, which stood even taller than most girls and boys. But Big Santy C said, "I'll leave him a present, but this year his present might just be unpleasant." Danny heard such a clatter, his heart skipped a thump.
So having cleaned that out, we've moved on to the vise, and we're going to use compressed air and see if that can help. And no, it didn't. Seeing that the pressure buildup on this did break the master cylinder, it's unlikely that compressed air at 150 psi will even clear this and get more than 1000 psi with the brake cylinder. So we just replaced this pipe with a brake hose and bled it out, and here is us testing the master cylinder at the slave cylinder end to see if we're getting pressure. If you see movement, you know, yep, there you go. The system is actually working. Perfect. Time to take it for a test drive, I think. Thank you very much for watching this video, and hopefully if you've got any issues where your master cylinder goes really tough, you can diagnose it and probably work out what the issue is as well.